Let's imagine different sizes of networks. The smallest is a personal area network or PAN. Your Bluetooth headphones connected to your phone? That's a PAN. It's just for you, within arm's reach. Next up is a local area network, LAN. This is your home or office network. It connects all your devices like computers, printers, and smart devices within that space. Moving up, we have metropolitan area networks, or MANs. Think of a citywide network, maybe connecting different government buildings or a university campus. It's bigger than a LAN, but smaller than a wide area network, or WAN. WANs are vast networks spanning countries or even the globe. The internet itself is the biggest example of a WAN, connecting devices worldwide. Remember, these networks often connect. Your home LAN connects to the internet, a WAN, through your internet service provider, or ISP. Just like a house needs bricks and mortar, a network needs specific hardware. The most crucial piece is your modem. It's the bridge between your home network and your ISP, bringing the internet to your doorstep. Next is the router. It takes the internet from the modem and shares it with all your devices. Think of it as the heart of your home network, directing traffic and ensuring everything stays connected. You may also find network switches helpful. They connect multiple devices within your LAN, like a power strip for your network. This is especially useful if you have many wired devices. Finally, each device needs a network interface card, or NIC. Don't worry, most devices have these built in. NICs allow them to communicate on the network. By understanding these basic components, you can start building your robust and reliable home network. We often overlook cables, but they're like the veins and arteries of your network, carrying data between devices. The most common is Ethernet cable. It's reliable and offers fast speeds, perfect for connecting computers or gaming consoles directly to your router for a stable connection. Coaxial cables, once common for cable TV, are still used for internet in some areas. They are thicker and less flexible than Ethernet, but can carry data over longer distances. Finally, fiber optic cables are the speed demons of the networking world. They use light to transmit data, offering blazing fast speeds and unmatched reliability. However, they're more expensive and often used for high-demand situations like internet backbones. Choosing the suitable cable depends on your needs and budget. For most home users, Ethernet provides the best balance of speed and affordability. Section 4. Wireless Wonders, Exploring Wi-Fi and Beyond. Let's face it, wires can be messy. That's where Wi-Fi comes in, blanketing your home with invisible radio waves that carry data. You'll often see different Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is the latest and greatest, offering faster speeds, better range, and improved performance in crowded areas with many devices. If you're streaming 4K videos or playing online games, Wi-Fi 6 is your best bet. Another wireless technology is Bluetooth. It's perfect for connecting devices over short distances like your headphones to your phone or a wireless keyboard to your tablet. Finally, cellular networks like 4G and 5G use cell towers to provide internet access on the go. They're great for smartphones and tablets, but can be more expensive than home internet plans. Section 5. Choosing the right network setup for your needs. Building a home network can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by considering your needs. How many devices will be connected? Will you be gaming or streaming high-quality videos? For most homes, a basic setup with a modem, router, and a mix of wired and wireless connections will suffice. Choose Ethernet for devices that need a stable connection like gaming consoles or desktop computers, and rely on Wi-Fi for your smartphones, tablets, and smart home devices. If you live in an area with fiber optic availability, it's worth considering for its unmatched speed and reliability. And if you have a large home or need coverage in a specific area, consider mesh Wi-Fi systems that use multiple access points to eliminate dead zones. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best network setup is the one that meets your specific needs and budget. Section 6. Conclusion. Your home network, your way. Mastering your home network is about understanding the basic components and how they work together. From the different types of networks to essential hardware, cable types, and wireless technologies, you now have the knowledge to create a network that fits your lifestyle. Remember to prioritize security by choosing strong passwords for your router and devices and keeping your firmware updated. Consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your privacy. With a little planning and effort, you can create a fast, reliable, and secure home network that enhances your digital life. So go ahead, connect your devices, stream your favorite shows, and game to your heart's content, all from the comfort of your own connected castle.